Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel, and today we're trying another product from the AM Details range. So this is quite a new product, so this is the hybrid detailer. So let's have a look what this is, and then we're going to try it on this car. So this AM hybrid detailer is a spray detailer that instantly creates that AM Details shine shot, designed to repair and maintain AM hybrid sealant. It can also top up and enhance your favourite wax and ceramic coating. So this has got ceramic coating on. It's a few years old, so yeah, this will be used to give that, I guess, bring that life back and sort of top that up. Also, the AM hybrid sealant, we'll be testing that in another video shortly. So yeah, keep an eye out on our channel for that one. So this says it's safe to use on all exterior surfaces and providing protection up to 4 months. So yeah, from one application, you get sort of 4 months top-up protection. So, and then the directions, it says once the vehicle is clean, which this one is, it says wet or dry, spray AM hybrid detailer directly onto a microfiber cloth, wipe over the panel, then flip your cloth and buff away. And that's pretty much it. So we're going to test it on this dry car today, but yeah, it does say that you can use it on a wet car as well. I guess you'd spray this on before you dry the car. But yeah, let's bring the camera in closer and we'll apply this to the car. Okay, so we're going to spray it onto the cloth and then do this panel, and then we'll move on to the other panels. Okay, so you've just seen me apply this to the car. It went on really easy. You don't even need much product, and yeah, just flipping the cloth and buffing it off. Yeah, it doesn't actually take that much effort to bring the product off either. So now what we're going to do, now we've done the full car, as you can see, it is really glossy. So it's left a nice finish, which on the back of it, it does say that it instantly creates that AM Details shine shot, which I guess this is the shot that they're talking about. So yeah, now let's go into one panel and we'll apply some water, see sort of like the protection that it's applied, and then yeah, we'll go over the price and where you can get it from. Okay, so you've just seen the water behaviour of this product, and it's improved the coating a lot. Like before we applied this, I haven't got a shot of it, but yeah, there wasn't much water behaviour there at all. So yeah, you can clearly see that it's added some protection there. So that should last up to 4 months. So like I say, this to apply and take off, really easy, really simple. Spray on your cloth, wipe on, flip the cloth and buff off. Yeah, and it brings a nice shine, which I've already said. Also, that patch that I've just done, I did re-go over with this product and a cloth to sort of do it the wet method, and it was just as easy. You just needed sort of like another cloth to go over to dry it fully. But yeah, apart from the added other cloth, just as easy. So where can you get this from? I will put the link below to the AM Details website. Currently this is $16.95, and for that price I think you get 2 microfibers with it as well. So yeah, that's perfect for doing sort of a car this size. That's literally the only 2 cloths I used on the whole car. So yeah, with the added 2 microfibers, it's not a bad price. So I'll be looking for this to last a good few months. This car does a good few miles, so yeah, we can really put that to the test. So I'll try and do an update video in about a month or so to sort of see how this is doing. But for now, that's the hybrid detailer from AM Details. Please, well, go check AM Details out. Also, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe and comment if you've got any questions, and we'll see you next week for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!